Hello YouTube. This is the Claw heavy duty flathead screwdriver by Vermont American. And you can see has those ridges on there. I guess that helps for certain tasks. Vermont American USA. Can't quite make out that number. Maybe you can, but I got this in the probably late 80s or early 90s and had it ever since. Can't remember where I bought it, but it's been a decent screwdriver for me. I like it. I'm not sure if Vermont American's still in business or still making stuff in the USA, but that's it. The Claw by Vermont American. And thanks for watching, YouTube.